How to add a tag to a new MailChimp subscriber. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add a tag to a new MailChimp subscriber. And the first thing to do is to log in into your MailChimp account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in your MailChimp account, by the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of options such as campaign, automations, audience, etc. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be selecting audience. As you can see, just go ahead and click on the arrow should be pointing downwards. I already clicked on it, that's why it's pointing upwards like this. So just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you'll see list of options such as all contacts, sign off forms, etc. Go ahead and select all contacts. Once you select it, you'll be redirected to the contacts page. Now on this page, you'll see the contacts you have, and then you see a menu displaying overview, manage contact, add contact, etc. Now, once you do that, just scroll down and select the new subscriber or the new contact that you want to add a tag to. Okay, just go ahead and select the contact. Once you select the contact, you select the contact by clicking on the box next to the email address. Once you click on the box, you've selected it, and then this a menu will be displayed at the upper part of the email address. You see a menu will be displayed displaying add or remove tags actions. Just select add or remove tags. Then once you click on add or remove tags, and then if you have a list of tags already, you can just select the tag that you want to add to the contact, or you can go ahead and create a tag here, whichever one of your choice. For me, I would be selecting this tag that I have here, which is business. Just select it and then successfully updated tags for the contact. So this is how you can add a tag to a new MailChimp subscriber. Very simple, right? Yes. So go ahead and add a tag to those subscribers today. All right. Thanks for watching.